In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own Stickman character video from scratch, starting with Chatgpt to design your character and scene, fixing the details in OpenArt, animating it instantly in Kling Ai, and adding a professional voiceover with ElevenLabs, all without spending hours on complicated software. So let's kick off the video. Go to Chatgpt and open the GPT's store. Here, search for Stickman Character Story Maker, select that model, and click Start Chat. You'll see an option that says, I'm ready to create a Stickman character. Then it will ask you for a short description of the scene, for example, the environment, skin color, shirt color, and whether you want a hat. Simply write your description. For example, an open big farm, black skin color, yellow shirt, and a white hat. Then watch Chatgpt do the heavy lifting for you. It will give you 5 B-roll prompts and 1 main scene prompt. It will then ask which prompt you want to turn into an image. I chose the first one. After that, you'll have to choose the aspect ratio. Simply select TikTok, and here's your image. As you can see, the skin color is black. If you want changes, just customize the prompt you gave to Chatgpt, and it will give you a fresh prompt. Now I'm choosing the third prompt. Then type TikTok for a vertical image and get your new image. Amazing. But as you can see, Chatgpt might make mistakes sometimes. To fix them, go to OpenArt, paste one of the prompts that Chatgpt gave you, choose the image model, Imagine 3, and click Generate. Look at that. Insane. Wow. Now you want to animate those images without using Blender or other tools that take forever. All you need to do is go to Kling Ai, upload the image, and hit Generate. For the voiceover, you can either record your own voice or go to ElevenLabs, paste your script, and choose a voice from the options on the left side. Pick the best one, then hit Generate. Here's what I created.
A man was traveling on a ship, enjoying the fresh sea breeze and the peaceful journey. Out of nowhere, a fierce storm appeared. The waves grew taller, the wind howled, and the ship started to sink rapidly. The man struggled to keep himself afloat, fearing he would drown at any moment. Just when he thought it was the end, his friend appeared, rowing a small boat towards him. Without wasting a second, the friend pulled him aboard, and together they sailed away to safety.